Dear children of Micronesia, children of Watarach and Kugao patches, of woven Jagi and resilient Kausali, you are the descendants of protectors, knowledge keepers, and dreamers, aunties and uncles who walked ahead of you to hold up the sky, to clear a path, with love as surrounding as the sea, with courage as enduring as the land. Let me tell you of our heroes. There is Papa Mao Piailug from Satawal, who kept safe the sacred knowledge of seafaring, who charted ancient stars and filled our horizons with new sails. When colonization threatened to disappear traditional navigation in the Pacific, Papa Mao shared the gift of his people's seafaring knowledge, restoring our pride and the currents that first connected Pacific peoples across our vast ocean. There is Hilda Heine from the Marshall Islands, who was the first Marshallese person to earn a PhD, the first woman Minister of Education, and the first woman President of any Micronesian country, who led an island of students until she led a nation. When extreme drought and floods devastated her home, Hilda led a global coalition of 58 countries, ensuring that the most vulnerable climate change stories were visible to the whole world. There is Gabriela Ngirmang from Belau, who dreamt of her grandchildren's future as one without war, who gathered the strength of the village and fought for her people's freedom and a nuclear-free Pacific. When political violence swept over the island, Gabriela and the brave women who joined her rooted their people during an impossible storm. Together, they led the resistance against the most powerful nation in the world and inspired peace movements across the Pacific. There is Julian Aguon from Guahan, who founded the first regional law firm of its kind and is clearing a path toward environmental justice at the world's highest court. As climate change threatens the survival of our region and the entire globe, Julian, author and attorney, writes to cultivate indigenous imagination while emboldening a new generation of attorneys all across the Pacific to fight for our homelands. And then there is you, my child, the hope of 100 generations. Never forget, no matter where you go in this world, that you are carried by those who have gone before you. May you walk in the daybreak of our heroes. May you protect the islands they held for you. And may you remember, this courage is yours too.